How to copy trade on Tradovate with TradingView. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you specific methods for you to copy trade between Tradovate with TradingView. So I'm going to show you two specific methods, which is going to be the native Tradovate group trading, which is going to be built in, or the third-party copier, which is going to be a complicated process. Now I'm going to be showing you first the most convenient way of doing it is of course the native Tradovate group trading. So all you have to do first is make sure that you logged in into your Tradovate account, which is going to be here. It's either here from the web version or from the application. Next thing you want to do is go into application settings and then go into add-ons. This is where you can activate group trade add-on and make sure to create groups on manage group and then add your accounts. Select the created group that you just made and then enter the total position size for all accounts combined. And that's it. That's how you copy trade on Tradovate with TradingView.